So in this RBC Mobile App tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to deposit a check using the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up RBC, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom right hand area and press on Move Money. Once you're on the Move Money page, I want you to go ahead and press on Deposit a Check. So once you're on the deposit check page, it's pretty straightforward. Where it says front of check, it's going to go ahead and let you take a photo of the front of a check. Where it says back of check, go ahead and take a photo of the back of the check. Type in the amount of money that is being shown on the check, and then type in the account that you want to deposit it to. And then it's pretty straightforward. Continue will be blue. Press on that, and then you can deposit the check into your account. That way, quick and easy. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to deposit a check on the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.